Good morning to everyone. ये 250. This is lecture 252, and we are taking a frame. In this frame, we will try to find out the end moments, the final moments. We'll try to find out. So मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये कानीस के मेथड के माध्यम से रोटेशन कंट्रीब्यूशन मेथड के माध्यम से हम लोग फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं, ये इसका एनालिसिस करना चाह रहे हैं। तो अब आप देखोगे, जैसे मान लीजिए बी पॉइंट है आपका, तो बी पॉइंट पे आपके जॉइंट्स अगर स्टेप नंबर 1 पे जाएंगे तो स्टेप नंबर 1 पे क्या करेंगे, सबका मान लीजिए आई सेम है, दिस आई इज सेम। सो स्टेप नंबर 1, फाइंड रोटेशन फैक्टर। रोटेशन फैक्टर क्या आता है, u इक्वल टू -1/2 k अपॉन सिग्मा के। ये वैल्यू आपको फाइंड आउट है। तो हम क्या करते हैं, ज्वाइंट लेंगे, मेंबर लेंगे, k की वैल्यू ले लीजिए इंडिविजुअल, सिग्मा के लीजिए, और u ले लीजिए -1/2 k अपॉन सिग्मा के। ये आप लिख सकते हैं। तो ये आपका 2 मीटर है, दिस इज योर 2 मीटर, और इसमें मान लीजिए आपका सम लोड इज देयर, दिस लोड इज 30 किलोन्यूटन परहैप्स, सो वी आर टेकिंग 30 किलोन्यूटन, दिस इज 24 किलोन्यूटन। जॉइंट इज बी, मेंबर आर BA, right, BA BC and BD, 3 मेंबर यहाँ पर आपके आ रहे हैं। 1 BA BC एंड BD, 3 मेंबर आ रहे हैं। तो K की वैल्यू क्या होगा, ये फिक्स है, दैट इज I by L मीन्स 2, एंड सिग्मा K BA BC का वैल्यू कितना है, BC is I by 4, and sorry, BC is I by 4, and BD is also I by 4, ये I by 4, तीनों हो गया। This is I by 2, this is I by 4, this is I by 4. So your total equals to, this is 2I by 4, this is I by 4, this is I by 4. So this is 4I by 4, 4I by 4, 2 2 4, 4I by 4. U equals to how much? This is U equals to -1/2 into K. K is 2I by 4, 2I by 4, 2I by 4 cancel हो जाएगा, तो this is 2/4 means 1/2, so this is 1/2, that is -1/4. What about this? This is U equals to -1/2 into I by 4, 1/4. I by 4 divided by 4, I by 4, 4 by 1/4. So this will be -1/8. 1/8. And what about this? This is also -1/2 into 1/4. So this is -1/8. So we are getting this value -1/4, So we are getting here this value -1/4, -1/8, -1/8. तो आप क्या करोगे, कन्फिगरेट कर लीजिए, इसको मिटा देते हैं। तो हम यहाँ पर इसको कुछ इस तरह से बनाते हैं। So this will be -1/8, this is your -1/4, this is your -1/8, this is -1/8, this is 1/4, and this is your 1/8। यहाँ इस पॉइंट पे कुछ नहीं है, This is your A point. Suppose we put it A point. This is your A. This is your B. This is your, suppose this is your C point, and this is your B point. ये आपका configuration आ गया. Now let us find out the fixing moment. Let us find out the fixing moment. So let us find out the fixing moment. Fixing moment for AB. So M bar AB equals to WL by 8. बिकॉज मिडिल में है इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है, और ये साइन क्या होगा? माइनस. सो दिस विल बी इन दिस वे, एंड दिस विल बी इन दिस वे, दिस विल बी इन दिस वे, एंड दिस विल बी इन दिस वे. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस? This D will be, so if you start from here, so this is like this, so this will be in this way. So this is a negative and this is positive. So we have put the convention like this. We started from D in this way, and this is anti-clockwise and this is clockwise. ये हो जाएगा. So minus WL by 8 means 30 into 2 divided by 8, 4, that is minus 15 by 2, that is minus 7.5. Minus 7.5. So this is your minus 7.5, and this will be your plus 7.5. Okay. This will be plus 7.5. Means M bar BA equals to plus WL by 8. This is your plus 30 into 2 divided by 8. That is plus 7.5. ये हमारा 7.5 आ जाएगा. Now let us find out the MBC and MCD. MBC, M bar BC equals to minus WL square by 8. 12. Not 8, 12. This is anti-clockwise. So the negative minus 24 into L equals to 4 square upon 4 square. WL square upon 12. 12 24, 16 32, minus 32. So minus 32. So this is your minus 32, and this will be your plus 32. Sorry, plus 32, because this will be same. M bar CB equals to plus WL square by 12, that is plus 24 into 4 square upon 12. So 2 or 4, 16 into 2, this is plus 32. This is okay. This is 32. What about this thing? This, there is any loading? There is any loading in it? There is no loading. So there is no loading. So this is 0, 0. This will be 0. And this will be 0. There is no loading. There is no loading. So this is no loading. So this is 0, 0. So there is no loading. So this is 0, 0. So we have put 0, 0. Okay. Let us now try to find out the rotation contribution method. So we try to find out the solution of this question. So you will find over here, at this point, summation B MB bar equals to plus 7.5 minus 32.0 plus 0. One is 0.755 minus 32, and this is 0. So this is your equals to 32 minus 7.5. कितना हो गया? 24.5. This is negative. 24.5. So put it 24.5 minus 24.5. This is value. So now you can go for a reiteration one by one. If you take this point, this joint B, we take joint B में क्या है -24.5 and contribution of this is 0 and contribution of this is 0, so this is your -24.5 multiplied by this -1/4, so this will be how much? 24.5 divided by 4, this is your 6.125. This is plus 6.125. So put here plus 6.125. This is okay. And go for this joint B for this 1/8, that is 24.5 into -1/8. So this will be your 6.5 divided by 2. This 3.6025. This is plus 3.0625. We can check it. 5 divided by 8. 3.0625. So this will be your plus 3.0625. Okay. And what about this 1/8? 1/8. This will be your 24.5 minus, there is no addition, 0 plus 0, that is minus 24.5 into 1/8. So this is also 3.0625. So this will be your, in this way, that is plus 3.0625. 0625. And this will be 0. Okay. Let us go for the second reiteration. So at joint B, you take joint B, this is -24.5, right? And this addition is 0. So this is your 6.125. No addition is there. 6.25. We can take some addition, that is 3.625. We can take 3.625. This is 0. 24.5 and 24.5. This is 0. So contribution is not getting, so these are the final moment you can put. So we'll go for this thing for joint B, that is M AB equals to M bar AB plus 2 times M dash AB plus M dash BA. ये वैल्यू होगी, तो M bar is -7.5 plus 2 times 2 into 0 plus this is coming 6.125. So this is your 7.5 minus 6.125. This is 1.375 minus 1.375 kilonewton meter. This is for this MAB. And what about this? This one MBA. MBA is equal to M bar BA plus 2 times M dash BA plus M dash AB. So this is your MBA equal to plus 7.5 plus 2 times 6.125 plus 0. So this will be your 2 into 6.125 plus 7.5. this is your 19.75. This is 19.75. This is 19.75. And what about this MBC? This is your final moment. You can say this is minus 1.375, and this is your 19 plus 19.75. And what about this? This MBC, M bar BC, sorry, MBC equal to M bar BC plus 2 times M dash BC plus M CB dash. ये फार्मूला होगा. तो M bar BC is equal to minus 32 plus 2 times 3.0625 plus 0. So this will be your minus 32 minus 2 into 3.0625. This is 25.875. So this is your minus 25.875. What about this? This MCB equals to plus 32 plus 3.0625 plus 0. So this will be your 32 plus 3.0625. 35.0625. So this is your 35.0625. Okay. And what about this? This MBD देख लीजिए आप. MBD is equal to 3.0625. 3.065. This is 3.0625. 0. That is 0 plus 3 2 times. ये plus further 0. So this will be your 3.0625 into 2, 6.125 plus. And what about this MDC? MDC is equal to 0 plus 3.0625 plus 0. So this is your plus 3.0625. So these total is final is 3.0625. And this is your total is equals to 6.125. So in this way you can solve the problem. I think you could have understood. ये इसको आप इस तरह से आप इसको विजुलाइज कर लीजिए और इसको इस तरह से हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. तो ये हमारे समझ में आता है, आपको धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा और इसको आप थोड़ा सा विजुलाइज कीजिएगा. और थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद मी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.